If you want to download and install APK files on the Nothing Phone 4a, first of all, you have to just open your browser. Now input the name of your application with APK phrase. And you can find a lot of websites like APK Mirror or, for example, the Softonic, but I'm always using the original website from the developer if actually available. You have to find the installation button on those up to it, the APK Mirror or Softonic websites. There's multiple buttons. Some of them are shown as ads, so we have to just make sure that you are gonna click on the proper one that will allow you to download this application. For me, I don't want to download any additional app gallery. I just want to download this straight via browser. Now when you click on the details, we can find out that this file starts downloading, but now it just redirects me. I'm not sure where. Okay, that's a strange thing. Let's take a look for this downloading file. Okay, now it just start downloading one more time. Not sure what is the problem, probably some kind of debug, but as you can see here, it only takes like few seconds. Great, and now Chrome isn't responding. Good work, Google. But wait until it will be finished. And now, as you can see, we can open this specific file. Click on the settings and now click here to allow from this source. Click on the installation button. And now we got unsafe app blocked, so we have to click on the more details and select install anyway. Now you'll have to just wait until the installation will be finished. Just be patient for this one. And you have to click done or open if you want to just go straight into this application. So thanks for watching and see you in my next tutorials.